Yeah. Damn.
Lately, never seemed like I cared about myself. Lately, never seemed like I wanted to start. Maybe it turns into not being around, but what can I say? I've never played that part. Seems that I am my own worst enemy. Cause all I do is take, and I don't give. And all I do is break, but I don't fix. And I won't change, even if I want to. And I don't think I want to. Give me your time and all your energy. You ask, but you won't get it back from me. It's not that I wanna do it up this way, but it's the side of me I gotta face. Let me figure out if I wanna change. It's a gift and a curse that I never asked for. No, I never asked for. Cause all I do is take, and I don't give. And all I do is break, and I don't fix. And I won't change, even if I want to. And I don't think I want to. This is who I was meant to be. This is who I was meant to be. Cause all I do is take, and I don't give. And all I do is break, but I don't fix. Cause all I do is take, and I don't give. And all I do is break, but I don't fix. And I won't change, even if I want to. And I don't think I want to.
Appreciate it. Started getting sweaty.